So we have been fiddling around a little bit with the engine tuning, and well, it has been some problems because well, first off we tried to tune it with the map signal as load, and ECU didn't like that, so because it's a MAF ECU, so it didn't like MAF and map have different kind of curves, signal curves, so it didn't like that at all. But then we changed to MAF and started to tune that signal, and that worked better, a lot better, and we got the fuel where we wanted it to be. But then we started to see some issues at near red line, or about 1000 RPM before red line, and it was running out of spark. And well, yeah, when we're using this kind of engine management, it's not really that easy like with a standalone, because then I would have put just some WAG coils and hello. So we're finally doing some driving. Long story short, the piggyback didn't work, so now we are on a Max ECU Mini, because well, it was too big of a change for the piggyback, and it's 9 in the morning and M50 is already screaming. Yeah, the spark in the original like 90s wasted spark system, it didn't hold up with the over half a bar of boost. So well, yeah, now we have a Max ECU and WAG coil packs from an Audi. So it works really great now. We got 320 horsepower on the wheels, 460 Newton, and today we are doing some driving. I have one GoPro with me, and but no mounts, so we'll see what happens. I'll try to film some other stuff with the camera also. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. sets of tires are burnt, and everything's working good. I adjusted a little bit of toe out in the front, but I think I would need some more. I have a little bit too much front grip, so the car spins and doesn't glide like I want it to, so I got some problem. But it's drivable, works, engine works really good, and no problems at all. Keeps temperature good and everything. So, yeah. Been driving all day now, and I'm working a lot, so got a little bit of a dip here now, so got a little bit tired in the middle of the day, but we'll drive some more later in the day still, but gotta rest a lot now because, so I don't go in the gravel. So we are on the way home now. Car worked really good. Nothing wrong really under the whole day. Did a little bit of a bigger crash, went out in the sand, and well, surprisingly I was going pretty fast, and but still the car held up really good. The rear tire, right rear tire hit the sand first. Nothing was bent, and everything's good. Yeah, I don't know, it just took it really good, so yeah, no problem. The only problem was that it was sand everywhere, so we started blowing it off with some pressure there, and in the engine bay we found that the exhaust manifold was cracked. So I had heard some small exhaust noise, but I didn't think it was over there. I thought it was further back, but it was from the exhaust manifold. So we ended the day there with a happy face still. So yeah, I'm really happy how the car works. It's a little bit too gripped up, as I maybe said, and the front is not slipping at all, so I can't do any backies or anything. So have some adjustments to do still, but need to change some springs in the front and revolve the shocks if it's possible, and start to get it a little bit stiffer. So but other than that, it works really good. I'm super happy that it worked this good, and yeah, for being a first track day with the car and myself, I haven't driven the whole season, so well, yeah, we burned around 120 liters of fuel, and I don't know really, I haven't counted how many tires, but tires lasted pretty good still with this horsepower, so it doesn't burn them straight away if you save some of them. Don't just full throttle all the time. So yeah, really happy. Thank you to Makosa Street Boys for putting together an amazing event. It was really good. I spoke to one of the guys, and he said it was 130 cars in as most in total. So a lot of cars has been there, and really good event. Worked good with towing and flags and everything, and yeah, thank you. And I'll head home now and get the car washed up and everything, and start working on the exhaust manifold and see what happens there. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.